The way plastics are recycled might change forever if the results of this research paper that I read scales up from lab to industry. The kind of plastic with which this bottle, for example, is made is called PET. In fact, around 12% of all plastics used globally is PET because PET is pretty durable, but that is also a problem because recycling PET is problematic. You have to use expensive catalysts, create extremely high temperatures, and in the process you end up producing a lot of toxic byproducts. The way PET is recycled today, when it is like someone trying to fix a delicate watch using a hammer. I would love to hear your thoughts on plastics and recycling and if these things make any sense. But this paper that I read from researchers at Northwestern University, here they have proposed a much simpler and inexpensive method for breaking down PET. And the best part is that their process utilizes something available for free: moisture from the air. Cool, right? So this is how it works. You first use something called molybdenum along with activated carbon. These act as catalysts to break down the bonds in PET. And by the way, both molybdenum and activated carbon are pretty abundant in nature and non-toxic. So that's great. And then instead of drenching the broken pieces in harsh solvents like being done today, you simply expose them to air. That's it. Because even on a relatively dry day, air around us holds vast amounts of water vapor, which is enough to convert these broken down PET particles into fundamental building blocks, monomers. It's basically like dismantling a complex Lego structure back into its original brick so that something new, something even better probably can be built again. In fact, in their experiments, the researchers recovered 94% of monomers from PET in just 4 hours without any harmful byproducts. Not only that, they were able to use the same process for various other types of plastics beyond just PET like PBT, PE and etc. And even for mixed plastics that are otherwise really hard to recycle. Alright? Wishing for a better future and hope you learned something new. I'm Amrit, founder of Story99. We help mid-sized tech companies improve their business storytelling and business narratives because better stories means better business.